Hey, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get somebody to say no and start over. That's the key. Here's the rule. Get them to no and then start over. That's how you make a lot of sales. All right, it takes a lot of courage to let go of your yes. We talked about that before. So you have to let go of your yes. You have to embrace no and accept no. Get the customer to go to no, and then have the courage to start over. I'm going to tell you how it happened to me. And this is in a totally different industry, not air conditioner related. But when I started this business, if you did 40 to 60 million, I cold called you. Built a really big business 20 years ago, started out that way. And I was sitting in a man's office. This was the second meeting, and I had cold called him. He was the president and CEO of a company that distributed a very popular brand of beer from a German brewery. And he had 24 salespeople all over the country. It's a big deal. And we were going to do an assessment on his salespeople, and we're going to start out. It's going to be about $8,000 to get started to measure the whole sales force, and him and his two managers, his other manager. And so he agreed to buy. He said, you know, I want to do this, but let's just do half the sales force. So he knew it was $4,000. And I said, okay, let's get started. So I started writing him a calendar, planning things out. And he walked out of the room, and I wasn't really paying attention to him. And he came back in and said, no, let's don't do half, let's do everybody. I said, okay, great. So he knows instead of $4,000, it's $8,000. Then here's where the rubber meets the road. He said, oh, by the way, since I'm doing so many, how much of a what kind of a quantity discount do I get? I said, nothing, no discount. And he looked at me and got really angry, and he said, well, let's forget it then. Now that's resistance. We went from yes all the way to no. And I said, okay, that's fine. Are we done? And he said, yeah, we're done. I said, well, that's kind of what I was kind of got the sense we were done too. So I started putting up stuff. That's nonverbal language. Hey, I'm leaving. And I don't know if he wants me to leave or not, but I'm not going to push back. It's not time. I got too much resistance. And so I walk out the door, toward the door, and he follows me. And that's a cue that he wants to connect. Nonverbal cue. I'm walking away, he's walking toward me. So I stopped, looked at him, and said, hey, called him by his first name. I said, hey, before I leave, can I ask you a question? And he said, sure, what is it? His tonality had completely changed and everything, and he was listening to me then. And I said, well, I just got a question. I said, where did I lose you? And he went into a 5-minute diatribe about discounts, quantity discounts, money, pricing, and here's the key. I listened respectfully, but I don't believe what he believes. I believe differently. He has his beliefs, I have my beliefs, but it's okay that he has his. He has the right to be who he is. I have the right to be who I am. So I said, okay, I hear you. Can I share with you how I feel about it? See, it's not how it is, it's how I feel about it. And he said, sure, what is it? And I said, here's how I feel about it. You're the president and CEO of this company, and your job is to get a return on your investment. And if you think I can help you, you should pay me. And if you think I can't help you, you shouldn't pay me. But whether it's 8,000, 10,000, 7,000, 100,000, it isn't important. It's important, do you think I can help you? And if you can, you should hire me. And if you don't think I can help you, you shouldn't hire me. And he said, I'll let you know Tuesday. I got another appointment for Tuesday on the phone, and on Tuesday he decided to buy. But that's how you get somebody to know and start over. Are you doing that one? Those of you who've learned that skill are going to make a lot of money when it really gets tough. It doesn't take a lot of skill to sell an air conditioner in the hot summer. It doesn't take a lot of skill to sell a system when it's really cold. Hardly any. People in a lot of pain. But you learn this skill, you'll sell stuff all year. Hey, I hope this helped you. Visit my website, RogerDaviston.com. A lot of free stuff there that'll help you further. Hope to see you there. Thank you. Bye.